All of this cost me Hey everyone, I'm back currently from Ottawa, and I I didn't update earlier because there were people like the person I'm living with, my friend, is here most of the time. I mean, it's his house, so I didn't feel comfortable recording, but I don't know where he is, but he's definitely not home right now, so like I'll jump on that opportunity to do a video for you guys. So I wanted to show you this. So I have like a small bag of paprika. I had originally put, okay, so here it is. So I have mango puree, coconut milk, condensed milk, another one, a can of puree. This is this is 4 pounds, a bit more than 1 kilo. I had some pasta. I'll show you how big that is. Put my hand here. And then I have, I bought cereals. And then, yeah, so basically I had yogurt. Fruits, I have another one for blueberry. I bought some bananas here. This is my meal prep for week 2. At the very far there is tomato. Oh, I bought lemon and onion. I had chicken, but he accidentally like cooked it, so he gave me his. I had peas, frozen peas, and I have this. I found this deal for like $10. I cooked one of them. So all of this cost me $100. Like I'm like, holy smoke, it's $100, and that's a lot. And that's why I think, like, I know I said I wanted to make a video on the film and stuff like that, and on PR, but I was like, holy smoke, I'm not used to doing that. And I had the opportunity with fast food. I don't know why I didn't do it. I was just like, I want to do groceries. I also was thinking about going to Costco, but then I'm not staying here for very long, so I was like, maybe not. So I bought that at Food Basics, and all of that, guys, was actually $100. But if I have like to actually price it up, I think I would price it up to $150, because I didn't buy oil, I didn't buy spices. So there's oil here, there's spices here, so I didn't buy that. This is my little yeah, I have a little office that was set for me. Yeah, so I didn't actually buy the spices, I didn't actually buy the oil, but I think with the oil, with the spices, it would actually cost me around $150. Mind you that taxes are a little bit higher here, so I definitely think that would be it. And what I'm trying to do is do like kind of a budget challenge. So for the first week, I would put a video. So for the first week, I took 1 chicken breast, rice, and then some frozen veggies, and I made chicken fried rice. I did crack 2 eggs in it, but it was like very plain. So for 1 chicken breast, so I did crack 1 egg. And for lunch I had for breakfast I had cereals and milk. As you have seen, there's like oat milk, so I had that for breakfast. For a small snack, I had this plain yogurt, which was very bitter, and I put this like red fruit, which was very bitter as well, so I did that. And then I also added banana because it was too bitter for me. So that was week 1. Week 2, as you can see, I had pasta. However, things happened. So my friend was making tacos for himself because he needed to cook food for him to go to work. So but when I had my taco, I had my chicken, I took 1 breast out of it, and then I put the rest in a Ziploc bag. He took it and he cooked the whole of it, and I was like, was the chicken in a Ziploc bag? He was like, yeah. So basically, for 2 consecutive nights of dinner, he made us actually tacos. so I'm not too sure how that equates in the budget, in the like schedule of how meals are, but this is what it is. I also went out one time. I went downtown. I was visiting. I ate out. I also had a burger, so that also. But yeah, I think for week 2 it would be that, and then I think we'll see about week 3.